Good morning. I'm going to show you how to add some classes and publications for your students for Studies Weekly. The first thing you need to do is log on, click the tab that says Classes, and now we're going to add a classroom. If you have students in multiple publications, you might want to add several classrooms. So I'm going to name this one Kindergarten. You can name it whatever you would like. We're in the 2021 school year. Now I have a classroom. Now I need to add a student. So I'm going to go right here. I'm going to add a student. I'm going to put some first name, last name. I'm going to give them a username. We'll give this a try. I believe the password has to have a capital, lowercase, and number. Perfect. You could save it, not save it. So now I have Melanie right here added to my classroom. I need to assign her some publications. Right now it has all of the publications for her, but I don't want her seeing all of those publications. She's in kindergarten. I want her just seeing those kindergarten publications. And that's it. I clicked off for all of them, and then I added just what I wanted to. So now I'm going to go back to my students, and here I see Melanie, and now I see she only has 2 publications, which indicates now I need to go up to the tab up here that says Publications, and we need to activate those tests for her because the tests are not automatically activated. Because she's my kindergartner, I gave her kindergarten social studies and kindergarten science. So click on either one of them. I can see that I have kindergarten publication. I have all her weeks available, but none of her tests. You can choose to add one test at a time as the weeks go on, or you can turn them on for the year. My computer takes just a few minutes to do that. I did want to show you their student edition, so if you want to see the articles from there, the teacher's edition, which gives you the daily plan if you would like to know a 5-day week how to teach Studies Weekly. There's also actions where you can edit the test and test scores. The test will only grade multiple choice, true and false, but not short answers. So you can edit that test to take away those short answers, or you can add questions to it as well. Let me click that on tab again and see if that works. There it goes. So now I have her history, all her weeks are available, and all her tests are available. I need to do that to science as well. Science was the one right next to it, so I'll go ahead and click on it. And I'll do the exact same thing. I'll just toggle on all those tests. Again, you don't have to. If you only want your student to take one test at a time for the week and they're apt to go in and just click away on all the tests and you don't want them to do that, you can just add one at a time. It might take a few minutes when you click that on and off button. If it's not working for whatever reason when you click the on, you can always go back and forth and do it manually. Okay, so if I go to my classes, I should see that I have Melanie in kindergarten, and I've assigned her the kindergarten publication for science and history. So I can see that I have Melanie Reyes. She has 2 publications and she's good to go. So she has kindergarten, and if I needed to add another classroom, I could just go to classrooms right here and add a new classroom. And I'm going to do the same exact thing. I might label it. It might be for my first grade student. Again, you can label it by their name. You can label it by a nickname, whatever you guys would like, but it's the same thing. You're going to add a classroom. You're going to add a student. So here's my first grade. Automatically put me in kindergarten. I add a student, and then I assign publications. And then I go up to the publications and I activate the test. And it's those simple steps. So add a classroom, add a student, assign publications, and then go to the publications. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your resource teacher. Thanks.